Hello friends, I would like to introduce you to our project which is called VPLD, a virtual programmable logic device. In electronics, equipments such as function generators, CROs, logic analyzers are frequently used. These instruments are expensive, and if you do not own any of these, they may not be available at all times. This project addresses this issue by implementing a microcontroller based low cost solution with an interactive graphical user interface which is easy to use and understand. In the next few minutes, we'll have a look at how this project works. The hardware consists of a 9-volt transformer and a 5-volt regulated power supply. The controller used is the 8-bit Atmega 32A controller. The board you can see here is the testing board. We have provided it with 8 inputs in the form of switches. The board also consists of 8 LEDs. The graphical user interface has been created using Visual Basic 6. The project is divided into 4 modules, namely Digital Lab, Digital Logic Analyzer, Design Wave Studio, and Equation Parser. After clicking on gates, we can select any desired gate which we want, and the IC would perform accordingly. For the AND logic, the output is high only if both the inputs are high. When a switch on the test board is pressed, it will give a ground signal. Similarly, for the OR logic, the output is high if any one of the inputs or both are high. It is 0 when both the inputs are 0. What you can see on your screen is nothing but a replica of the test board. Note that as soon as the button is pressed, the output is seen in real time on the graphical user interface. In the T flip-flop, the output is toggled between 0 and 1 on successive application of the clock pulse. We have also provided other miscellaneous options such as shift register, parity, comparator, binary to BCD, etc. The comparator here is a 2-bit comparator. The parity checker shows the even or odd parity. The second module is the digital logic analyzer. In this module, we have provided 8 pins which can accept inputs simultaneously. The third module is the Design Wave Studio, where we can create digital clock pulses. These clock pulses could be square wave or could be asymmetric. In order to generate an asymmetric pulse, the level up, level down, and the shifters can be used. This module is highly suitable to generate pulse width modulated signals for testing motor driving circuits. The fourth module is the equation parser module. In this module, we can accept 3 variable, 4 variable, or 5 variable equations. All you have to do is just select the appropriate output for the given inputs. You can select up to 8 outputs. The given format of the parser eliminates the need to calculate K-maps and makes the equation forming process much easier. Once the appropriate outputs are selected, the IC would perform the function which has been defined by the user.